Hello everyone, in this lecture I am going to discuss about the number system and representation. In this lecture I will discuss how will you convert the decimal number into the binary system, decimal number into the octal system, octal number system, and decimal number into the hexadecimal number system. So, for this you can convert any number system into the any number system. So, first of all I will see what is number system, and number system is defined as a system of writing to express numbers. It is mathematical representation or notation for representing numbers of a given set by using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner. It provides a unique representation of every number and represents the arithmetic and algebraic structure of the figures. It also allows us to operate arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction and division. Basically, there are four type of number systems used in practice. First is decimal number system, second is binary number system, third is octal number system, and fourth one is hexadecimal number system. So, in the decimal number system base is 10, in binary number system base is 2, in octal number system base is 8, and in hexadecimal number system base is 16. So, how many digits you can use in decimal number system, in binary number system, in octal number system, and in hexadecimal number system. So, in hexadecimal number system number of digits used are 10, in binary number system number of digits used are 2, in octal number system number of digits used are 8, and in hexadecimal number system number of digits or total number of digits are 16. So, in decimal number system the base 10 represents the numbers used in the decimal number system are from 0 to 9, and binary number system 0 to 1, or you can say 0, 1. In octal number system the digits numbers used are 0 to 7, or you can say if I want to use any number system, suppose I want to use a base 9, then what are the numbers used in that systems, or what are the how many numbers will be used. So, in this 0 to 15. So, if I am using base n, the numbers used or digits used in base n will be, if I am using a digit of base n, then numbers digits used in base n will be n minus 1, or you can say if I want to represent a decimal number system, in decimal number system is a base 10 number system having 10 digits from 0 to 9. As I told you, as per the base gives the information about the number of digits present in the number system. So, in the decimal number system base 10 is the base 10 number system having 10 digits from 0 to 9. This means that any numerical quantity that can be represented using these 10 digits. Decimal number system is also known as positional value system. This means that the value of digits will depend on its position. Suppose I have taken here 3 examples that will give the information of the weight of the 7 number in these numbers. So, if I see this digits, if I see this number 734, in 734 what is the value of 7, or what is the value of this 7 in this number. So, this number is at 100th position, and its value will be, or this is at position this. So, what will be the weight of this number? The weight of this number will be 10 ki power 2. Similarly, for 971, the value of this 7 is 10 ki power 1. The weight of this digit, the weight of number 7 in 971 is 10 ki power 1. Similarly, for 207, the weight of this 7 is 10 ki power 0. So, these are the weighted numbers, and the weightage of each position can be presented as, or represented as, suppose I am using 1 2 5 4 3. So, and I am using this number in decimal number system. So, what will be the weight of this 3? Weight of this 3 will be 10 ki power 0. What will be the weight of this 4? 10 ki power 1. What will be the weight of 5? 10 ki power 2. What will be the weight of 2? 10 ki power 3. And what will be the weight of this 1? 10 ki power 4. So, in this way you can tell what is the position of this, what is the position of the digit or number in the given number system. So, this is at 10, the weight of this 4 is 10 ki power 1, the weight of this 3 is 3. So, by adding these number with the weight of the position, you can get the exact number. So, it means, how can write this? How can I write 3 into 10 ki power 0 plus 3 into 10 ki power 1, sorry, 4 into 10 ki power 1 plus 5 into 10 ki power 2 plus 2 into 10 ki power 3 plus 1 into 10 ki power 4. So, this is 3 into 10 power 0 is 3, 40, 500, 2000 and 10,000. After adding, you will get the same number. So, if you add these numbers, you will get 1 2 5 4 3. Same will happen in any base, any number system. And if you want to convert this number, if you want to convert the decimal number system into the any binary number, the position of each digit will be same. And in any number system, suppose I want to use, first of all you have to identify, you should know how will you identify that whether this system is this number system is decimal number system. The digits used in decimal number system should vary from 0 to 9. So, in this number system the digits used are in between 0 and 9. So, this is the decimal number system. Similarly, for binary number system, the easiest way to vary instructions through electric signals is in two states, that is on and off state. On state is represented as 1 and off state is represented as 0. The number system having these two digits 0 and 1 is called binary number system. So, as I told you, in the binary number system, or you can say, as I told you, that if I am using the base n number system, then number of digits will vary from 0 to n minus 1. So, in base 2, what will be the variation of the number? Base 2, 0 to 1, or you can say the number will vary, number will be only 0 and 1. So, as I have discussed in the decimal number system, the position, the weight of the position will be same. If I am using the base n number system, let us take example. If I am using A, B, C, D at, I am not taking this example because it will give confusion. So, I am taking 1, 2, 3, 5 at the base n. So, what will be the position? Weight of this number 5, weight of the digit 5 is n ki power 0, n की power 1, weight of 2 is n की power 2 and weight of 1 is n की power 3. Whatever the base you are using in any number system, the weight of the digit will be decided by the base or number system used. So, here if I am using here so the weight of the any number, suppose I am using here 1 0 1 1 1 0. So, the weight of this 0 digit is 2 की power 0, weight of this 1 is 2 की power 1, weight of this 1 is 2 की power 2, weight of this 1 is 2 की power 3, weight of this 0 is 2 की power 4 and weight of this 1 is 2 की power 5. So, by using this weighted position or weight of the position, I can convert this binary number into the decimal number system. So, each binary digit is also called as a bit. Binary number system is a positional value system by which we can find the decimal number system of the binary number system. So, here it has been shown that the most significant bit is extreme left bit and extreme right bit is least significant bit. So, by using this we can convert, as I told you that we are using in decimal number system we are using only 2 digit, that is 0 and 1. For converting this we will use the weighted position of the, we will use the weighted position or weight of the each digit used in the binary number system. Suppose I have taken here an example 1101002. I have to convert this into the decimal number system. For this I will take the help of the weight of the position of the digit. So, what will be the weight of this 0? Weight of this 0 will be 2 की power 0. Here I have used, so weight of this 0 is I am writing here 2 की power 0, weight of this 1 is 2 की power 1, weight of this 0 is 2 की power 2, weight of this 1 is 2 की power 3 and weight of this 1 is 2 की power 4. So, you can directly write here 1 into 2 की power 4 plus 1 into 2 की power 3 plus 0 into 2 की power 2 plus 1 into 2 की power 1 plus 0 into 2 की power 0. This will give, the addition of this will give you the decimal number system, decimal equivalent of the binary number system, that 11010. Similarly, we can convert this decimal number system into the binary number system. I will discuss this. How will you convert this decimal number system into the binary number system? So, then the computer memory, the various memory elements are used for the capacity of this computer memory. So, there are basically four memory capacities in bit, bytes, megabyte and gigabyte. So, these are the conversion that are used in the computer memory system. So, for 1 byte is equal to 8 bit and 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes, 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobyte and 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabyte. Now, come to the next number system, that is octal number system. So, in the octal number system the number of digits used are, first of all you should know, if I am saying that this is a decimal number system, it means in decimal number system I am using 10 digit, in binary number system I am using 2 digit, in octal number system I am using 8 digit. So, these 8 digits will vary from 0 to n minus 1, or I mean to say, if I am using n number of if I am using the base n number system, then the digits will vary from 0 to n minus 1. So, here I am using the octal number system, it means this is a base 8 system and the digits will vary from 0 to n minus 1, it means 0 to 7. So, digits will vary from 0 to 7 or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are also the weighted position system. So, with the help of weighted position we can convert any octal number into the decimal number system. One thing you have to remember that for first you have to identify whether the given number system is octal number or not. So, for that you have to identify, you have to check the numbers given in the octal number system should vary between 0 to 7. Suppose a number given to you is 785. Then first you have to identify, first you have to check whether the given number system is octal or not. So in this number system 8 digit has been used, so this number can never be octal number system. So for being octal number system, the digits should vary from 0 to 7. Suppose this is the 7268. This is not the octal number system. Here the number used in this system is 7268. So this number system is varying, is crossing the 7 digit, or here the numbers used are not within the limit of 0 to 7. So this is not the octal number system. But if I am using here 7 to 6 at the base 8, now I can convert this number into the decimal number system. What will be the weight of this 6? Weight of this 6 will be 8 power 0. What will be the weight of 2? 8 ki power 1. What will be the weight of this? 8 ki power 2. So what will be the value? 6 into 8 ki power 0 plus 2 into 8 ki power 1 plus 7 into 8 ki power 2. After summation you can get the decimal number system. This value can be true. This is true. 7268 is true only for the base. If I take this 7268 as base 9, then this system can be true. It means the here 7268, it means for base 9 system the digit should vary from 0 to n minus 1. It means the digits inside the the digits of the number system that is used for the base 9 should vary from 0 to 8. So this can be a base 9 system. Now we can convert this base 9 system into the decimal number system by using the same weighted position notation. So here the weight for this number will be 9 ki power 0. I am using this for green color. So 9 ki power 0, 9 ki power 1, 9 ki power 2 and 9 ki power 3. So you can say that this can be true. 8 into 9 ki power 0, 6 into 9 ki power 1, 2 into 9 ki power 2 plus 7 into 9 ki power 3. So there you can convert. This is not this is only written for this 8 into 0. So this is not right. So this is right. Now come to the next number system, that is hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system we will use, hexadecimal means base 16. So the digits should vary from 0 to 15. Here I will use 0 to 9. After that I will use A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, where A represents 10, B represents 11, C represents 12, D represents 13, E represents 14 and F represents 15. 0 to 9 I will use same digit. After that I will use for 10 to 15 A, B, C, D, E, F. What will be the weight of the position? Weight of the position will be same as per the decimal numbers. Here I have used the hexadecimal number system. So the weight of the position will be 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2, 16 power 3, 16 power 4, 16 power 5. So what will be the decimal equivalent number of any hexadecimal number system? I will use the same. So we can convert this, the number given is 27FB16. So how will I convert this? I will use the same weighted position, 6 into 16 ki power 0, 1 into 16 ki power 1, B into 16 ki power 2, F into 16 ki power 3, 7 into 16 ki power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2 into 16 ki power 5. So after solving you can get the decimal number system. You have to remember that whatever I have written here, A, B, C, D, E, F represents 10 to 15. So here you have to replace F by 15 and B by 11. After that you can calculate. Now this is the table which is representing the decimal number system into this is the representation of hexadecimal number system, decimal number system and octal number system into binary number system. So how will I convert the decimal number system into the binary number system? So for conversion of this I have to remember that I have to use 3 digit for conversion of octal numbers, or if I want to convert the octal number system directly into the decimal number system, then we can directly convert by converting it into the binary number system. So when I am converting this octal number system into the binary number system, then we have to take, or we have to make a pair of 3 digit. And if I want to convert the hexadecimal number system into the decimal number system using binary number system, then in that case I have to make the pair of 4 digits. After that we can convert it into the decimal number system. I will discuss this. First I will see that what are the equivalents, binary equivalents of hexadecimal, decimal and octal number system. So the hexadecimal, decimal and octals is same from 0 to 7, or you can say from is same for 0 to 7, and after that it will start changing. So from 0 to 7 octal number, decimal and hexadecimal both are same. So how will you get binary equivalent of the decimal number system? For getting the binary equivalent I have to do nothing. Suppose I have to convert 5 at the base 10 into the binary number system. What will I do? I have to do nothing. I will simply divide this 5, or any base 10. If you want to convert the base 10 decimal number system into the any base number system, you have to divide by that base number in which you want to convert the decimal number system. So here I want to convert this decimal number system into 2 binary number system. So I will divide by 2. 2 times 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. So I have to write remainder 1. 2 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. 2 zeros are 0, so remainder is 1. How will you write? You have to move from bottom to top. Sorry. So this will be equal to 101. So you can see from here this will be equal to 101, because I want to represent this, I want to represent one more thing I have done wrong. I think this will be from here. Now what now here I want to represent this octal number in if I want to represent this into octal number system and into the hexadecimal number system, then how will I write? In octal number system it will be 101, but in case of hexadecimal number system I have to write this 5 into 4 digits. So this will be 0101. Similarly for 4, if I want to write this for 7, so if I want to write this for 4, then what will be the equivalent for 4? 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0, 2 0 0, remainder is 1. So you have to move from bottom to top. So this will give 100. What will be the hexadecimal equivalent in hexadecimal number system? Equivalent of this in hexadecimal number system will be 0100. this is for 4 not for 3. So, this has been written here 0 1 0 0. Okay. In octal number system I will write 1 0 0, in hexadecimal number system I will write in 4 digits 0 1 0 0. Similarly, this is true, this is right till 7 for octal and hexadecimal number system. For hexadecimal and decimal number system, this is true from 0 to, this is right from 0 to F or 0 to 16, 0 to 15. But in octal number system, from the numbers will vary from 0 to 7 and it will again start at 8, you will start from 10. So, you will increase from 10 to 17. So, in octal number system we can convert by following the same procedure, but if I want to convert this binary number system into the hexadecimal number system, then how will I convert? So, suppose I want to convert Suppose I want to convert 2 3 F at the base 16 into base 10. So, how will I convert? For converting this, there are two processes. Either I can directly, I will tell you both process, or I can convert directly by taking the weighted position. So, what is the value of F? F is 15. So, the weight of this number is 16 की power 0, weight of this number is 16 की power 1, weight of this number is 16 की power 2. For converting this into the decimal number system, this will be equal to F into, or I can write here 15 into 16 की power 0 plus 3 into 16 की power 1 plus 2 into 16 की power 2. This will give 15 plus 48 plus 256 multiplied by 2, that is 512. So, you will get here 575. This will be in decimal number system. Same thing I can do by converting this into the binary number system. After converting this into the binary number system, I can make the pair of 4 digits. After making the pair of 4 digits, I can convert this into the decimal number system. Now, come to the example. Suppose I want to convert this into base 14 at the base 10, 14 at the base 10 into the base 2. So, the procedure will be same. I have to divide by that base in which I want to convert. So, I want to convert this into the base. So, 2 7s are 14, remainder is 0, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1, 2 0 1. So, I have to move from bottom to top. This will be equal to 1110 at the base 2. Similarly, next example is I have to convert this 214 at the base 8 into the decimal number. So, for converting this into the decimal number system, what will I do? I will directly convert this. I will directly convert by using the position weight position of the number. So, this is at 8 की power 0, this is at 8 की power 1, this is at 8 की power 2. So, by using this you will get 2 into 8 की power 2 plus 1 into 8 की power 1 plus 5 into 8 की power 0. You will get the decimal number of decimal equivalent of this 215 at the base 8. Now, if I want to convert the method that I have told you, you have not to follow this method for converting this, but if you want to convert this using, if I want to convert this hexadecimal number system into octal number system, then you can convert this octal numbers hexadecimal number system into the binary number system. After converting this binary number system, you can make the pair of 3 digit for getting the hexadecimal number, or for converting the hexadecimal number into the octal number system. So, I will see this. Next example is I have to convert this 1A3 at the base 16 into octal number system. So, for which what will I do? I have to remember this that A is 10, the equivalent of 3 into the binary equivalent of 3 is 0 1 1. I have to represent this. First you have to remember this. What will be the binary number of this 1 A and 3? A is 10. So, binary equivalent of 1 is 0 1, binary equivalent of 3 is 1 1, binary equivalent of 10 is 2 5 0, 2 2s are 4 1, 2 1s are 2 0, 2 zeros are 1. So, binary equivalent of A will be 1 0 1 0. Now, here I am using here the hexadecimal number system. So, I have to represent the numbers into the 4 digit. So, for representing this number 0 1 into the 4 digit, how can I write? I have to put the 0 and the left side of the number. So, I can write this 1 into the 4 digit number 0 0 0 1. I can write this 3 into the 4 digit number by placing 0 on the left side of the number. So, 0 0 1 1. So, it will be 0 0 1 0 0 1, it will be 0, A will be 1 0 1 0, 3 will be 0 0 1 1. Now, I have to convert this into the octal number system. For this, I have to make the pair of 3 digits. From where I have to start? I will start from the left side. Okay. So, this will be pair 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 1 0 and 0 0 0. So, now you have to find the decimal equivalent of these digits. So, this will give 0 1 1, 0 1 1 is equivalent of 3, 1 0 0 is decimal equivalent 4, decimal equivalent of 1 1 0 is 6 and decimal equivalent of 0 0 0 is 0. So, the octal number, the octal equivalent of 1A3 at the base 16 will be 643 at the base 8. Similarly, we can convert this octal number system into the hexadecimal number system. So, for representing this, I want to convert this octal number system into the hexadecimal number system. So, in this octal number system, what I have to do? I will represent the numbers in 3 digits. After that, I will make the pair of 4 digits for converting this into the hexadecimal number system. So, what is the equivalent 7? What is the binary equivalent of 7? Binary equivalent of 7 is 111 and binary equivalent of 6 is 110. So, this is the binary equivalent of this 7 and 6. Now, for making the pair of 4 numbers, I have to take this 4 number. So, it will be 1110 and only here the 2 digit will be left. So, I have to add 20 on the left side of the number. So, 0011 will be equivalent to 3 and 1110 will be equivalent to E. Now, you can check how this 1110 is equivalent to E. This is binary number system. So, this will be 0 will be at 2 ki power weight of this 0 will be 2 ki power 0, 0 into 2 ki power 0 plus 1 into 2 ki power 1 plus 1 into 2 ki power 2 plus 1 into 2 ki power 3. So, 8 plus 4 plus 2, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, this is 0. So, this is equal to 14. As I told you, A represents 10, so E will represent 14 will represent E. So, the hexadecimal equivalent will be 3E at the base 16. So, this is all about the conversion of octal number system, hexadecimal number system, binary number system into the decimal number system or any base to any base. Suppose I want to convert any base number into the any base number system, then in that case I have to convert any number system. Suppose I want to convert base 16 into the octal number system, then I can convert this into the base 10. After converting this into the base 10, I can convert this into the octal number system. So, if I want, this is true only for base 16 to base 8. Suppose I want to convert any base into the any base. If you want to convert base n to base m, in that case you have to convert this base n into the base 10. After that you can convert this into the base m. So, this is all about the conversion or number system and its representation. Thank you.